Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. I'm really excited to show you this product today. The folks at Garvee sent me this 8,000 BTU portable air conditioner and wanted me to show it to you. But it's way more than an air conditioner. Hang on, let me get it out of the box and we will talk about some of the other features of this unit. Now, this particular one is an 8,000 BTU. It's good for about 350 square feet. That's perfect for, an apartment, maybe a bedroom in your house. You know what I really like about it is it's great for an RV. If you've ever had an RV or know anybody that's had an RV, if their air conditioner on the roof of that RV goes bad, they're incredibly expensive. These are relatively inexpensive, especially compared to a roof air on an air conditioner on an RV, and they do a fantastic job cooling an RV. I mean, they're perfect. They're just the perfect size. They're portable. It rolls around on wheels, and it requires no special electricity. It just plugs into a regular 110 volt, 120 volt AC plug here in America. It comes with a remote control, so you don't even have to walk over to the unit to turn it on and off, change the temperature and all that. But there are some hidden features in this unit. It is also a dehumidifier, and it is also a heater. The temperature will go up to 88 degrees. So if you've got a room in your house, maybe your HVAC just doesn't work very good in that room. It gets cold in the winter and hot in the summer. Well, here you go. It's perfect for one room. Miss Hillbilly, sometimes we like to keep our windows open whenever it's possible, when the temperature allows. But what happens when she's in there cooking, the kitchen will heat up. It gets really hot in there. Just roll this into the kitchen, plug it in, turn it on, and voila, Miss Hillbilly is cool and happy. And guys out there, a happy wife leads to a happy life. Happy life. I screwed that up. Anywho, so as I was saying, not only is this an awesome air conditioner, but if you have a moist basement, and just certain times of the year, maybe you get a little too much moisture in your basement. This also has the dehumidifying capability, and it will remove, let me look at my cheat sheet here, I believe 50 pints a day. Now it has two drain options. You can either just let the internal tank collect the water, and it'll tell you right here on the LED panel when that tank is full. You can empty the tank, or it comes with a drain hose. You can just hook it up where it just drains constantly. And like I said too, it also is a heater, so it would be perfect for a small space, an RV or a room in your home or an apartment, to help supplement the heat. It is energy efficient and it's very quiet. Let me get it plugged in, and I'll let you hear it run. Let's get it turned on. It's set to 75. It's easy as that. It also comes with a remote control, which you can do all this on also. Now this particular one, since the nice folks at Garvee gave me this one to look at and tell you about, I am probably going to end up just giving this to one of my customers this summer. Somebody will be in an RV and maybe money's a little tight, their roof air goes bad, and they're going to need some air conditioning. So I'm going to hook them up. I'm just going to give them this one, and that way they can keep their camper cool, warm, or dehumidified. Whatever they want to do with it. So that's it for this video. Appreciate y'all watching. be sure and check out Garvee. There will be a link in the description below. They also are going to offer you a 10% discount. Here is that discount code right here. Plus, it will be in the description of this video. So, thanks for watching, and we will catch you next time. Y'all have a great day.